I am Dr. Tanji, board certified clinical sexologist, and I am here with a kit to do a sexually transmitted infection panel, a test kit that you can do at home. As you can see, it comes in a very discreet package. This is from NERCS, and I am not being sponsored. I just sent for it online, and they sent me the kit. There's some literature inside, and they tell you what the test involves. This one is for gonorrhea, chlamydia, trichomoniasis, HIV, and syphilis. They package every test inside individually. Each test has specific instructions that you can follow. Each individual test has everything that you need to do this at home. The instructions come with illustrations, so you can follow them not only by reading them, but also by seeing what you have to do with graphics. And finally, there is a self-addressed envelope, so you can put everything back in the box, and you can just put it in any mailbox and it will get back to NERCS. By now, I had already done the blood test. I didn't show that part because I was actually not the most courageous one doing that. And as you can see, this is a throat test, and you just follow the instructions. It's very easy. It's really not a big deal. Since you're doing it to yourself, not only it's more comfortable, but it is also something that you can follow again easily, since the instructions tell you what to do, for how long. You have to really get back there, and you have to really scrape. And then you put it back in the test tube as instructed, and that's it. Voila. Put everything back in the bag, just seal it, and you're done with that part. And then on to the next. This is showing you the blood sample. Yes, it hurt. I was not the most courageous doing it, but I did it. And then after you're done, you just fold the little card and then put it back in the bag. It's a red bag because it is actually blood product, and so it is super protected. It is actually more protected than the other ones. And then you just put that bag inside of the next bag, and you're done with that part. Minus, I hope, the pain in your finger. I had already done the vaginal swabbing, and now it's time to just put everything back in the box and then in the envelope. As you can see, it is very tightly organized, and you just have to put it back in the same way in which you took it out. It's just very easy. I think it is less intimidating than going to a lab and doing it, unless you do not trust yourself and you just want a professional to do it. But really, it is so easy to do. Now that everything is in the box, it is just time to put it in the envelope. Just seal it, and you're done. It is that easy. And now just put it in any mailbox, and NERCS will get it, and then the results are sent to you via email.